Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into the right place. Open Roblox, sign in, and join an auto piano server or your friend's private game. Once joined, find the in-game piano area and check controls in settings. Make sure keyboard input is active so mapped keys register. You also want to confirm audio is unmuted and volume is reasonable. Low volume will mask key timing. Now position your camera for a clear view of the piano keys and HUD. You now map notes to keys. Open the Auto Piano interface and pick Manual Map for Precision or Auto Map to convert a MIDI automatically. Once loaded, inspect the note lane and assign each note to a keyboard key. Make sure octaves align and use key offset to correct transposition. Then set playback speed and choose whether to hold notes versus staccato. You should preview a short section at low speed to confirm timing and note placement before full playback. You're ready to run the sequence. Press play and monitor the HUD for misses or timing drift. If you want a copy, hit record and export the performance or save the current mapping as a preset so you don't repeat setup. If notes drop or sound wrong, make sure your ping is stable, lower the playback speed, tweak key offsets, and retest small sections. Finally, make small adjustments and retry. Consistent results come from iterating on speed, mapping, and network conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.